Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Sara. So today we are going to discuss about Pegasus spyware, like why is it in news and what is the spyware and what can a spyware do and why Pegasus has become one of the crucial and one of the most dangerous spyware all across the globe. So we shall study all this in a step-by-step manner. So without further ado, let's begin. Let's understand the context, like what is Pegasus. Pegasus is a malicious software. It is a malicious software which was recently claimed to have been used discreetly to monitor and spy a large number of public personalities in India. Because the Pegasus has been used in 2019, WhatsApp has put a case in the USA claiming that the Pegasus software has been installed into the various accounts of the people, so that all the information has been extracted through this Pegasus software. That's why it was in news, and it has again been in news recently because of the various reports coming up lately in the press. So let's understand what is Pegasus and what is this and what all it can do. What is Pegasus? Pegasus is basically a spyware program created by NSO Group. NSO is a Israeli based company which has created this Pegasus spyware, and it sells this spyware to various other countries, various other governments, so that they can use the spyware to control the threat to their country, to control over the threat, like any terrorist organization is planning any attack onto the country, so that they can use the spyware and get rid of the attack. So what the governments have been doing these days was they are using this spyware to spy onto the reporters and politicians, and it has been used in a malicious intent. So it has been designed in such a way so that it can access the devices without the knowledge of users. Who are the targets, they doesn't even know, like when the software has been installed, and it has been passing their information without their knowledge. Along with that, earlier what they used to do was they used to exploit a link. They used to provide a link onto their mail ID, so that if they click onto the link, the malware get installed into their software. But it has been changed recently. So one thing is, once the Pegasus has been installed, the complete control over the phone of the target victim comes onto the Pegasus software. It transfers the information to the people who installed that spyware onto the target. So I hope you understood what is Pegasus spyware and how it works. So let's move forward and understand what can this Pegasus spyware do, like what all it can do. The first thing is it can send back the target's private data, including the password, contact list, calendar event, text messages, phone calls from the popular mobile messaging apps, as you all know, like WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. Like it can pass the crucial information, even though they have been very secure. They have claimed to be very secure, but the Pegasus transfer that popular information, transfer that crucial information, private information to the parties who have installed this spyware onto the target. So along with that, what all it can do, it can provide that it can make sure that the target's phone camera, microphone can also be turned on without the knowledge of the person on whom the spyware has been installed. So it can capture all the activity which has been doing throughout the day. And the main thing is, it is a basic threat to the privacy of a person, as privacy is a fundamental right of a person. So hence it has become a crucial debate all across the globe. Like, privacy has been installed, and it is the basic structure of the constitution under Article 21. So it has been fundamental for a person. So that is why the people have been very angry towards the government as it has been threatening the privacy of a person. So I hope you understood like what all the Pegasus can do if it get installed into a person's mobile. So let's understand what is this zero-click attack. It is a very important question for your prelims. A zero-click attack is one which allows the virus such as Pegasus to take control over the device without the need of any human intervention or error. There is no need of providing a malicious link onto your mobile, so that you can click. Then only the malware get installed. Here the Pegasus spyware get installed even without the knowledge, even without any clicking on any malicious link or something. It is updated to a next level. So that's why it gets very dangerous. So other major thing is the majority of these attacks have advantage of software that receives the data, that it can determine whether it is malicious or not. But here all this data has been taken back in a very updated manner. That's why it is very dangerous. So I hope you understood what is this zero click attack and why is it in news, and how can it can be a very important questions for your prelims. So let's move forward and understand who are the targets of this spyware attack. The first thing is human rights activists, journalists, lawyers all across the world have been a target of this malware. Along with that, the Indian ministers, government officials, and opposition leaders and public figures who have greater impact onto the people. So their phones have been hacked. So let's move forward and understand what are these types of cyber attack. What are the other types of cyber attack which are in news, like which can be a popular question for your prelims. Like malware. Malware is a software which has been designed to perform unwanted illegal act via the computer network. It can also be designed as a software with a malicious intent. It is a software with a malicious intent. What is a virus? A virus is a program that can infect other programs also by multiplying. Like as you all know that a virus multiplies, so it also as the same way a virus in this software will also get multiplies. It hampers the other softwares into the mobile. It slows down the whole process of the computer. What is Trojan? Trojan is as you all know that as you have been heard about a Troy movie where a Trojan horse has been kept. It has been taken as a backdoor entry. That is why the Trojan horse is a program where there is a secret link towards a person's mobile or a laptop, towards that is a backdoor entry for the malicious intent. Whoever has a malicious intent, it takes the backdoor entry and hampers their mobile or software. So what are the steps taken by the government against this malware or cyber attacks? First thing is Cyber Security Bharat initiative, which has been taken by the government in 2018. Along with that, Cyber Swachhata Kendra has been included. Another one thing is Computer Emergency Response Team in India, CERT-in, has been included. And India Cyber Crime Coordination Center, I4C, has been taken up by the government. Along with this, India has been a signatory towards the Budapest Convention of Cybercrime. And so these are the various steps taken by the government to overcome the spyware or cyber attack. So I hope you understood what is Pegasus software and what all it can do, and I hope you attained the knowledge, and you will be able to solve every problem or any question in the prelims or mains. So I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubts and queries, please do comment in the comment section below. So please do like, share, and subscribe the channel. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. And these are the and you can follow us on Instagram and even Telegram. So thank you very much.